So welcome back. In the previous video, we covered the case when you want to install the Vue application inside your existing website. And in this video, we are going to cover Vue CLI. So what is actually Vue CLI? So the CLI comes from command line interface. That means that the Vue CLI is just command line application that will help you to create new and maintain existing projects. And when I say to create new and maintain existing projects, that it means it will help you to add some other libraries inside your project, to add additional packages inside your project. It will also help you to create initial files and configuration of your projects. And it will basically save you a lot of time. Another cool thing that it's coming with the Vue CLI, it's Vue UI. So it's just additional feature that's coming with a Vue CLI that will run just a simple website. And in this website, you can actually perform everything that you can do in a command line application. And it also provides some additional features. For example, you can also install the packages. You can see which packages are installed there. You can delete the package, update the package, but it will also give you some nice statistics about your project. But both of these cases we will cover in this course. But let's see some other features that the Vue CLI has. One of the cool features that's coming together with this Vue CLI is ability to write single file components. Well, this means that you can write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code into one single component or just one single file. That means the structure of your component, the design rules, that means the CSS and application rules of your component, that means the JavaScript code, is just written inside the in the single file. And if you want to change any of those, if you want to change design or HTML structure or CSS rules or anything which is connected with this component, you have to go to just one single file and you have everything there, and you can just change it inside that one single file. And that's pretty cool. The second thing that's really cool with the Vue CLI, it comes with the built-in web server. So you don't have to install Apache, you don't have to install Tomcat, you just have to run your project and the web server is automatically started for you. The third thing is it comes with the hot module replacement, and this is the feature that I like the most. So we as web developers, we want to see our changes in the web browser as soon as we change something in the code. And the hot module replacement does that automatically. So the hot module replacement just realizes, okay, developer just changed something inside the code, so I have to refresh the website, and this module tries to do that as much as faster as it can. And we can see then this change in the web browser, and it's really cool feature. And the last thing about the Vue CLI is it comes with the Webpack. The Webpack is also a great tool, and here it could be, or it is used to bundle together all JavaScript and CSS files. Okay, what that means? That means that when you are deploying your application, so you finalize your application and you want to deploy it to be available for the end users, you want to make sure that you minified all the JavaScript and CSS files, and this will definitely help you to help your website to load much faster, and it will also not consume so much data, mobile data or network data. And okay, these are the features that are coming together with the Vue CLI, and now you understand why Vue CLI is also a great tool to have and to use. And I would definitely recommend you to use this tool, because if you are starting with a new single page application, if you are starting with a new project, just use Vue CLI. It will save you a lot of time. In the last section, let's talk now how to install actually Vue CLI. Well, the Vue CLI is just a package, and in order to install this package, you will need the npm. We talked already about the npm. It's a node package manager, and if you don't have it installed on your computer, just go to official website and install it from there. Once you have it, you can install the Vue CLI just using the following command. So npm I -g at vue/CLI. And if you're not familiar with this, it's not a problem. I just prepared you some explanation. So npm stands for, okay, we want to run npm tool here. That means I want to install something here. You could write install as well. You don't have to write but yeah, this is something you will use really often and you will get used to it. -g means that you want to install this package globally. So once you have installed this package globally, it's available everywhere for you. So if you go to any folder, you can install then Vue project there. And I definitely suggest you that you install the Vue CLI as a global package. And the last thing is the name of the package I want to install. In this case, it's just Vue CLI. Okay, so now that we learned what the Vue CLI is, what are the features coming with the Vue CLI and how to install it, let's go ahead and install the Vue CLI.